Hey guys, this is Brittany again, and today I have a clothing haul for you guys, and this is also a collab. I'm going to be collaborating with JTR.beauty here on YouTube. I met her recently on Instagram, and she told me that she is a YouTuber and she is 6'3". She's 6'3", and I told you guys I want to incorporate more clothing hauls catered to tall women, or I just want to see how different companies, how their clothing looks on tall women. So I think that's really important to have on YouTube so tall women can see how certain things look on our bodies, because a dress on a normal person is going to look like a shirt on us. So I definitely wanted to do a collab with her. So after you have checked out my video, definitely check out her channel and show her some love over there and subscribe. So I recently got some clothes from ASOS, and I got some clothes from Rue 21, and I got some clothes from Shein. I don't know if Shein is going to be in this video. If it's not, it's going to be up like a couple days after this one, or like a day or so after this one. So I'll show you the clothes that I got from Rue 21. So the first thing that I got is this hot pink shirt, and it has like a keyhole kind of front situation going on, and I got it in a 1X. First of all, hot pink is one of my favorite colors. I don't know how much it was, but I don't, pay way too much for my clothes. Another shirt in that same kind of style with like the keyhole kind of front. It has like the keyhole front, and then it has floral print all over it. And that one was in a 1X. So I don't think I've ever owned probably one time I've owned a denim skirt. And I got this in a 1X. It looks pretty big, but it might fit me. So that's the denim skirt. And I think the denim skirt was like $20 something or something like that. That's probably the most expensive thing in this haul, which is not bad at all. Another like t-shirt, a floral t-shirt, and it's in pink. And I got it in a 1X. I got some sandals from Rue 21 as well. I'm not going to try these on for you guys. They have gold braided straps on them. And these were on sale. I think these were probably like $5. And in shoes I wear a 9.5 or 10. And the sandals, they're 10. Got some Gladiator sandals. Like every summer I get like a pair of Gladiator sandals. And summer of 2015, I don't know, I got some sandals from Rue 21 and I wore them to death. And I have no idea where they are. I can't find a lot of my shoes ever since me and Adrian moved. They're probably still at my parents' house, but these have a long strap on them. So during, when I was buying stuff for my wedding and everything, Adrian and his groomsmen got their suits from ASOS. I did pick up some things last year because they have, the good thing about ASOS is they have a tall section. And the good thing about their tall section is they have really cute stuff. Like sometimes when I'm looking at, I don't know, Old Navy's tall section is very limited, but ASOS has a very varied tall section. I got a leather coat, faux leather coat from ASOS a couple years ago, and it was long enough for my arms and it was very cute. So I wanted to try the dresses out. On Mother's Day, I wore kind of like a tribal off the shoulder. I wore a tribal red cold shoulder dress that I got from ASOS, and it was so cute. And I'll put a picture on the screen for you guys. Next dress that I got from ASOS, this is very bright. Like this is a lot. This is very bright, but it's summertime. Like it's about to be summertime. It's spring, and I feel like it's okay to have really bright colors like this. Now, I got this in a UK 18, which is a US 14. So, this is a US 14. right here. And I think off the shoulder tops look so flattering on me, so that's why I usually gravitate towards those styles of dresses. And I think this was like $20 or something like that. And then the last dress I'm going to show you guys for this haul is another dress just like the striped one, but just all white. It's off the shoulder as well. And I also got it in a UK 18, US 14. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. There are going to be more hauls on the way for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to check out JTR.Beauty's channel. Shout out to her for collaborating with me. Subscribe to her channel and show her some love over there. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time that I do another upload. And follow me on my social media, specifically my Instagram, because I'm always on my Instagram. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.